You are looking at Julian's pronunciation guide, where we look at how to pronounce better some of the most mispronounced words in the world, like this other curious word. But how do you say what you're looking for today? Let's learn how to pronounce this word. This is one of the most mispronounced, or at least confusing, words in English. If you want to learn more vocabulary like this that is very confusing, including the adjective for this word, stay tuned, I've got more videos for you. There are two slightly different pronunciations in British English. Sacrament. Sacrament. In American English, it's usually pronounced a bit more as sacrament. So, sacrament or sacrament. Do you pronounce it any other ways, or did you before? Let us know in the comments. Here are more videos on how to pronounce more confusing words and names too many mispronounced. Like this video if you found it useful. I appreciate your support. I'll see you soon, and thanks for watching.